Over 2 lakh benefited. Inspired lakhs of people. Workshops for all ages. Since 1993, a trendsetter in India to organize World Records events, Limca Records events, National Level Memory Championships, Asian Level Memory Championship, Memory Fair, and Guinness Record Breaking Event. National Memory Championships 1999 and 2000. World's biggest event for mind sport till date. India's only organization with 15 Limca and world records. Multiple memory feat, 16 memory disciplines simultaneously. Limca Book of Records recognized Dr. Reddy's unique record of the fastest handwriting change, just 9.44 minutes. Mr. Marish, Max Academy trainee, demonstrated 1 lakh year calendar and broke the Guinness record. Max workshops for school and college levels. Coverage by print, radio and TV media. Brain behind the movement, Dr. J. N. Reddy. Life coach, mentor, convener of memory record events, handwriting record creator, practical psychology counselor, authored over 75 first-time books and tools, founder director of Max Academy and chairman of Max eSmart Skills Private Limited, doctorate in science and former professor of Loyola College, Chennai.